name is John Walsh. I'm the founder and CEO of Indera, and I'm here at our 250,000 square foot facility in Ottawa, Ohio. Every time someone comes to our factory, they're surprised with how big it is. It has the capability to produce over 3,000 buses per year. At the facility, we have vertically integrated manufacturing operations. Everything from our powertrain division to our body manufacturing line, it's all produced here under one roof in America.
And the way we're going to do this, we have a vertically integrated system. We're responsible for the whole vehicle. There's no finger pointing when it comes to Indera. We build it all. Therefore, you have a one-stop shop, Indera.
And it's for a reason. We build a quality vehicle and we take care of our customers.
The majority of our components are made here in America, many of which are made by our local fabricators.
Indera is here to scale. We have over 100 employees here in Ottawa, and we're ready to take on even more.
The future of Indera looks to me like growth and opportunities for our product lines, collaborations, and the careers of our highly skilled employees.
Indera prides itself on our Made in America manufacturing process. Over 70% of our vehicle is sourced in the United States. What that means is that's good paying American jobs.